Record na lang.
Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas!
Happy to see new faces o mga old familiar faces.
Dapat sa new guys.
I have a mixed emotion karon. Happy
20 years.
because naamo karon. Ang niya problema, I worried because I cannot recall your name. I lost all the class record. Not just my class record, but also my memory. Sorry. Can you still remember our vision and mission? When I started to kindergarten up to grade 10, 12 years mo din sa CCS. Can you still remember? Every learner will excel academically and become a competent leader in our society. Remember na? Sabi na ako rin ang tulungan. So remember our mission. To build up the lives of our students and develop them to the fullest potential in all aspects of life. Tsaka nito, intellectually, emotionally, social, spiritual, and physical. I am very proud of you, Archers. You are the fulfillment of our vision and mission. Our mission is to build up your life, and indeed, here you are. You excel not just in academics, but also in real life. And you still remember our favorite verse, Proverbs 22:6.
Pasarasal, very dangerous for this boy. Royal is old, there is not depart from it.
Thank you that we are part of your training. And I hope you will not depart from it. As what I said, I have a mixed emotion. Happy, unya, nauwaw. While you are now successful in your career, and beloved, your beloved alma mater is still the same. Ang atong stage, ang atong basketball court, maulang gihapon. Archers, please take charge. Boys, ang atong CR maulang gihapon. Since 2004, kanang atong toilet din ha, pana siya ka nagitawag nga living testimony sa inyong success. Ito ba mga estudyante nga bisag dili ka ihion, mo ito yun sa CR. Huwag ginanamo ipagguba. And please, may I challenge you, next grad alumni, pagdala mo tagsa ka buok ka tiles. Para makomplete na to ang tiles sa atong CR. Salamat kayo. Anyway, bahala na wala ma-improve ang CCS physically. But kamo nga among mga graduate, kamo ang nag-excel. You are our joy. Please make our joy complete by supporting your alma mater. Maka-anak na gani mo daghan, please enroll back to Carmen Christian School where you belong. Remember, na ako'y mga saying sa una nga, welcome to the biggest room in the world, the room for self-improvement. And that is Carmen Christian School. Enjoy and thank you. Kami ni Ma'am Dayon, we are so happy na kami nag-retire na sa school since 1990. Actually, 1997, nag-start ang atong school.
Yes.
O karon ang atong gina-celebrate ang 2004 lang nga batch sa high school. Salamat kayo na we are still here. O nakita na mo ang fruits sa labor nga ihatag sa Ginoo sa amo. Please continue our mission and we are so proud of you. Ako ingatan tayo kay Ma'am Dayon.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy, folks, sa atong grand alumni homecoming. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.